Saan kayo nakatira? Where do you live? Saan kayo nakatira? Ano ang pangalan mo? What's your name? Ano ang pangalan mo? Ewan ko. I don't know. Ewan ko. Hindi ko alam. I don't know. Hindi ko alam. Ayaw ko. It means I don't like it. Ayaw ko or ayoko. Bahala na. Come what may. Bahala na. Kaunti lang or konti lang. It means just a little. Kaunti lang, konti lang. Kung minsan, it means once in a while or sometimes. Kung minsan or minsan. Gising na, it means wake up. Gising na. Hindi bale, never mind. Hindi bale. Hindi naman, not so. Hindi naman. Hintay ka, wait for a moment. Or for a while, wait for a while. Hintay ka. Wag na, salamat. No more, thank you. No thanks, no thanks. It means wag na, no thanks. Wag na, salamat. Bahala ka, like it's up to you. Bahala ka. Magmadali ka, hurry up or literally be quick. Magmadali ka. Mamaya na, just later. Mamaya na. Salamat, thank you, salamat. Maraming salamat, thank you very much. Maraming salamat. Ano po? What did you say? Ano po? Pakiulit po. Please repeat. Ano po? Pakiulit po. Saka na. Like later, saka na. Saka na. Sandali lamang. Just for a moment, just for a while. Sandali lamang or sandali lang. Sige na, come on or go on. Sige na. Sayang means what a pity, what a loss. Sayang. Tumahimik kayo. That means be silent. Tumahimik kayo. Tama na. It's enough. That's enough already. Tama na. Tayo na. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Like tayo na. Alis na tayo. Totoo ba? Is it true? Totoo ba?